everyone, Denise here again. I just wanted to show you that you really don't need to spend a lot of money on planting food. Most food that you can get seeds from. Anytime I'm eating, like this is tomatoes, all I do is I take a paper towel, cut it up, I write what it is, and then I just spread the seeds on there. They actually stick to it as they dry. Just let it dry for a day or two, and they're ready to be sown whenever you want them. So all I do is, you could even put the paper towel in there, but all I do is I just go ahead and plant them in my potting soil. And this is a container of a salad that I bought at the supermarket, so I just kept the container. It has a lid, but most of the time what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and put my seeds in there. And what I like to do is put about 5 of them. And there we go. So that's my 5 seeds. What I'll do is I'll just be spraying them. I just have to go and get my spray bottle. Just a moment. Okay, so I've planted all the 5 seeds, the tomato seeds. So now all I do is I use a spray bottle that I got at the dollar store, and I just go ahead and mist all that. There was soap in it just to kill any of the bugs that were in the soil. Once you've misted enough, you're just going to go ahead and push the seeds a little bit and cover it up. They don't need to be covered all that much. No, I think I've got them all. Now we're going to go ahead and give it another spray, just so it's quite... And there we go. So again, now all I do is I take a saran wrap, and all I'll do is go ahead and I'll take an elastic that I have, put it around so that the moisture can stay in there. And anytime I grow anything, I just go ahead and put down the little paper, a little post note that tells me what it is that I planted. And I'll also add a 5 to this to show that I did put 5 seeds, and I'll show you next week how it's coming along. Have a good week.